why run polls in PowerPoint? You know, we have our dashboard, which is amazing. So why bother with PowerPoint? What's the deal? First and foremost, it's super easy. You don't have to switch across from this platform to your dashboard and back again. There's no switching. The audience don't have to see the behind the scenes, and it just makes your life so much easier. The data always stays in your slide deck as well. So once you've run your session, if you need to share this with a colleague that wants to have a look at the PowerPoint session afterwards, it doesn't matter if they don't have the add-in installed on their machine, because the data, it's made up of PowerPoint objects, so that data is retained forever. It's simple to set up and quick in any slide deck. So it doesn't matter if your slide deck was created 3 years ago or last week, or it's fresh, you can add Vevox to it. But the most important point, it stops what we've called death by PowerPoint. And what I mean by that is you've got somebody that's just starts their session, drones on for an hour, doesn't invite you to participate in any way, and by the end of it, your eyes have glazed over because there's lots of content, lots of slides, and it's all a bit dry. The point about Vevox is that you're making your session more exciting, more interesting, and more engaging.